First, 3D and STL. Import the model. Open. Click this to check. Control to check this, the model. Click this front top view and here translation surface, center, translate surface, click front view, click front view, translation surface, z and 0, it will move up. Okay, click top view, click 3D, and click 3D, and this stratified section, click this Z, click this Z, and this is the model thickness, and this thickness you can set 0.01 millimeter. Click OK. This is false slice. OK.